In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Firebase project on the Firebase console. First, open your browser and head to the Firebase console. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to use your Google account. Any standard Google account works here. Once you're in, you'll land on the Firebase home area where you can manage all your projects. On that home screen, look for the option to get started. This is the entry point that leads you into creating your very first project if your list is empty, or into the project creation flow if you already have others. Clicking it will open a guided setup that keeps everything simple and streamlined. Next, choose the option to create a new Firebase project. This tells Firebase you're about to define a brand new workspace where all your app's services, databases, authentication, and configurations will live. Think of a project as the container that keeps your app's resources organized and secure. You'll now be asked to type in a project name. Pick something descriptive and memorable, like the name of your app, and consider adding an environment suffix such as dev or prod if you plan to have multiple versions. The project name can be changed later for display, but Firebase also generates a unique project ID under the hood. That ID is used by various services and is much harder to change later, so choose a name that you're comfortable keeping long term. Keep it professional, avoid personal details, and stick to letters, numbers, and simple separators for clarity. After entering the name, click Continue. Firebase will walk you through a few setup screens to finish the configuration. The next section is about Google Analytics. This is optional, but it's powerful. Enabling analytics helps you measure user engagement, screen views, events, and performance across your apps. If you're building a production app, it's usually smart to turn this on from day one so you don't miss early data that can guide your decisions. If you prefer to keep things minimal or you're just experimenting, you can leave it off for now and enable it later. When you're ready, click Continue to move into the analytics configuration. You'll be asked to choose a Google Analytics account. If your organization already uses analytics, you might see it listed here. Select the account that aligns with your team or workspace. As part of this step, you'll be presented with terms and data sharing settings. Review them carefully and pick the options that match your privacy, compliance, and collaboration needs. You may also be prompted to set a reporting location. Choose the region that best fits your users and your compliance requirements. Be mindful that some analytics location choices can be difficult or impossible to change later, so select thoughtfully. Once you've selected the account and confirmed the settings, click Create Project. Firebase will begin provisioning resources in the background. This may take a few moments as it prepares your project, initializes default settings, and links analytics if you enabled it. You'll see a progress indicator and a confirmation once it's ready. When the setup completes, you'll land on your new project's dashboard. This is your command center. From here, you can add apps for iOS, Android, web, or Unity, set up authentication, create a Firestore or real-time database, configure cloud functions, and much more. You don't need to do any of that right now to finish creating the project. The project is already successfully created. If you turned on analytics, you'll also have a section where you can later explore dashboards and events after your app starts sending data. A few parting tips to keep you set up for success. Use a clear naming convention that scales, especially if you plan multiple environments or teams. If you're in a shared workspace, make sure the correct analytics account is selected so your data stays centralized. And remember, you can manage access and roles later to keep your project secure as your team grows. That's it. You've created a Firebase project on the Firebase console, and you're ready for the next steps whenever you are.